Ozone. Ozone is an allotropic form of oxygen. It is too reactive to remain for long in the atmosphere at sea level. At a height of about 20 kilometers, it is formed from atmospheric oxygen in the presence of sunlight. This ozone layer protects the Earth's surface from an excessive concentration of ultraviolet radiations. Preparation. When a slow dry stream of oxygen is passed through a silent electrical discharge, conversion of oxygen to ozone 10% occurs. The product is known as ozonized oxygen. Since the formation of ozone from oxygen is an endothermic process, it is necessary to use a silent electrical discharge in its preparation to prevent its decomposition. If concentration of ozone greater than 10% are required, a battery of ozonizers can be used, and pure ozone's boiling point 101.1 Kelvin can be condensed in a vessel surrounded by liquid oxygen. Properties. Pure ozone is a pale blue gas, dark blue liquid and violet black solid. Ozone has a characteristic smell and in small concentrations it is harmless. However, if the concentration rises above about 100 parts per million, breathing becomes uncomfortable, resulting in headache and nausea. Ozone is thermodynamically unstable with respect to oxygen, since its decomposition into oxygen results in the liberation of heat. Del H is negative and an increase in entropy, del S is positive. These two effects reinforce each other, resulting in large negative Gibbs energy change, del G, for its conversion into oxygen. It is not really surprising, therefore, high concentration of ozone can be dangerously explosive. Due to the ease with which it liberates atom of nascent oxygen, it acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. For example, it oxidizes lead sulfide to lead sulfate and iodide ions to iodine. When ozone reacts with an excess of potassium iodide solution buffered with a borate buffer, iodine is liberated, which can be titrated against a standard solution of sodium thiosulfate. This is a quantitative method for estimating ozone gas. Experiments have shown that nitrogen oxide, particularly nitrogen monoxide, combine very rapidly with ozone, and there is thus the possibility that nitrogen dioxide emitted from the exhaust systems of supersonic jet aeroplanes might be slowly depleting the concentration of the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere. Another threat to this ozone layer is probably posed by the use of freons, which are used in aerosol sprays and as refrigerants. The two oxygen bond lengths in the ozone molecule are identical, 128 picometer, and the molecule is angular as expected with a bond angle of about 117 degree. It is a resonance hybrid of two main forms. Uses. It is used as a germicide, disinfectant and for sterilizing water. It is also used for bleaching oils, ivory, flour, starch, etc. It acts as an oxidizing agent in the manufacture of potassium permanganate.